Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have the system of inequalities. We have y is greater than 2x minus 1, and we have 2x is greater than 5. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this equation and we're going to solve for x. If we divide both sides by 2, these 2's cancel. We have x is greater than 5 halves, and we can just leave it like that. And we're asked, which of the following consists of the y-coordinates of all the points that satisfy the system of inequalities? So what is the range of y's? Is it y can be greater than 6 and this inequality will be true? Y is greater than 4 and this inequality will be true, and so on. And so we're told that y is greater than 2x minus 1. And if x is greater than 5 halves, then if we plug in 5 halves into this equation, it will give us the minimum value that y has to be greater than, right? If the minimum value that x has to be greater than is 5 halves, then the minimum value of y that it has to be greater than is 2 times 5 halves minus 1. So just plugging that in, we have y is greater than 2 times 5 over 2 minus 1. Again, just plugging in 5 halves for x. Y is greater than, these 2's we can cancel out, or just do 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 2. Either way, you get 5 minus 1. Therefore, y is greater than 5 minus 1, which is 4. So, our range of the y-coordinates of all the points that satisfy the inequalities is y is greater than 4, right? If we see this as a system of equations, just to explain this one more way, we have y is equal to 2x minus 1, and 2x is equal to 5. So this becomes 2x is equal to 5 becomes x is equal to 5 halves, right? It's the same thing here, we just don't have a greater than sign, we have an equal sign. And then if x is equal to 5 halves, right, this is the minimum value in the real inequalities that x has to be greater than, then y is equal to 2 times 5 halves minus 1. The minimum value that y has to be greater than is 4, right? I just explained it 2 different ways because I think it's a little bit difficult to understand the concepts behind this, right? And doing it this way is a lot easier than trying to graph this and find all the points that fit the set of inequalities, right? Just understanding it conceptually can be a little bit easier, but either way, B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.